begin with, click on the top right side of the website, right here, and go to this Your Profile/Settings. Once you enter the settings page, go to the Security. From here, you may reset your password. Enter your current password followed by the new password and confirm the new password. Once this process is completed, you will be automatically logged out of your account. So, log in with your new credentials this time. That's it. Alternatively, to reset the password, you can also click on this Forgot Password from the login page itself. Enter your PAN number, verify it with the OTP on your mobile. Then, you may enter the new password and confirm the new password. Again, you will be asked to log in from the beginning, so use your updated credentials to log in. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.